Did you know that this small business owner got over 17,000 views on this short and over 800 likes just by sharing how the expectations of her business were different from what actually happened? And in this quick tutorial, we'll show you how you can leverage the same idea for your brand or business to grow your YouTube channel and your revenue in just 3 easy steps with the help of this ready-to-use InVideo template. Simply click on Use this template to go to the editor. Here you have a very intuitive setup. The main canvas shows you the preview of the video that you're creating, and all your scenes are placed on the timeline area below the canvas, and they are already synced to a royalty-free audio track. So you don't have to make any changes to the music track or readjust the duration of the scenes in any way. On the left-hand side of the screen, you have the complete assets menu. From here, you can choose different assets such as videos, images, text, and music to add to your video. Now, let's begin editing. We are recreating this short for a DIY jewelry store, but you can customize it for any type of product or service. If you have video clips of your own, you can upload them using the Uploads option in the left menu. Else, you can follow along to see how you can use stock images to recreate this reel. The template is set up in a way that it highlights how your business's journey played out differently from your expectations in a fun and humorous way. Currently, the template offers 3 different scenarios, but you can add more or delete scenes if you have fewer details to share. Just use this plus icon right above the timeline to add more scenes if you need them. The first step is to replace the text throughout the template with your own, because we want to lock in the different scenarios right at the beginning, and that will make it a lot easier to search for the media we want to use. So we will begin by changing the text in the first scene. The main expectations versus reality title stays the same, but we want to change the text box underneath to customize it for our business. So we will double click on the text box to open the edit window on the left, and here we'll type out our own text. We want to say, my DIY jewelry business. Now once that's done, we will move on to the second scene, and here we will change the title text for the first scenario to say, most popular item, and then write down the name of the expected item in the bottom text box. The process is the same. Simply double click on the text box where you want to change the text and add in your own. You similarly want to go ahead and change the text for all the remaining slides. The last slide will have your subscribe and CTA prompt. Now once your text is replaced, you want to go ahead and replace all the media in the template. For instance, for the first slide, we want to replace the video of a woman holding nail art tools with that of someone holding or wearing jewelry. So we'll go to the video tab in the left menu and search for the same using the search bar. Now try a few different keyword combinations to find a clip that fits. Once we find a clip from the search results, I will simply drag and drop it onto the canvas. Now this will open up a pop-up window where I want to hit replace. This will open up another pop-up window where we want to trim the duration of the clip to fit the scene. This is important, otherwise the sync of the clips to your trending audio will go haywire. Simply select this option at the bottom left corner of the window that says trim video to fit scene, and you will see a small portion of the video selected. You can then drag around this selected portion to also choose a different part of the clip. Once you have what you need, simply click on Add and the clip will replace the template default. If the clip you've added appears slightly blurry or pixelated, don't worry because sometimes the editor takes time to load. It will be exported in high definition only. You similarly want to replace the clips for all the remaining scenes, making sure that the ones you choose fit the point that you're trying to make. For this video, I'm going to choose videos that closely represent the jewelry items for the different scenarios I'm depicting. If you make a mistake or add media you don't want, you can either delete it by pressing the delete key on the keyboard or undo the step by using the Command+Z or Control+Z shortcuts on your keyboard. The final step is to change the logo. Simply click on the logo on any scene to open up the logo menu on the left. Here you use the upload option to upload your own logo image. And once it's uploaded, you just need to click on it and it will get replaced throughout the template. If everything looks good, click on the play button underneath the canvas to preview your shot. once you're satisfied, go to the top right corner of the screen and hit Export. We suggest exporting in 180p for the best results. You can recreate this trend for other types of brands as well. For instance, if you're an artist selling prints, you can create a short like this. And the best part, you can use the same video to get more views on Instagram Reels and TikTok as well. And that's how you can create and upload a viral YouTube short with InVideo.